Salam ku Johar, matopikan tehen dar mitang video ko to baj kana jaha do yu kana tabon nito jaha charcha re mena di adigan news ko re felao kana ar ona ha nito ko bada nyama dila ba ko jaha ko bada khan do inya video matam do bada ya ar ona do yu kan tabona jaha abo dharti khon bahre disom me do antariksh se space jaha bulai khan jaha re do hoito mena menkan sahet banuuna oxygen banuuna sahet banuuna ar guruत्वाकर्षण bal banuuna mendo ona do yukana abo dharti kun adi sangin onde do to onde node kon kichu gan hor ko chalao lena on kun yukana june 2024 re Buzz Wilmore ar Sunita Williams जहाँ दो सुनीता विलियम्स अब इंडिया कौन बिलोंग्स है साथ में नाता में नाते रिश्ता में नाते हैं नोटे कौन तो उनकी बार होगी चला लेना मेनखान किचु गान प्रॉब्लम खातिर ते 9 दिन से 8 दिन या प्रोग्राम तक ताहे और ताहे करते हैं जुरिया बट उना जहाँ उड़ा गाड़ी तक ताहे उनारे प्रॉब्लम ताहे ना किचु गान खराब खातिर ते बाकी नहीं तरह ना उना खातिर ते 9 महीना लगभग किन ताहे ना उनटे इन्हें पूरे स्पेस एक्स नासा कुरुमुटु ते सपरावाkan जहाँ Dragon capsule te ora kin setra hit yakana man nathati te kirwari yakana ona bon nel sangya delapon ar noa tehen seta bharat abo india da time hisab to 3:30 baje lagbag kin setter yakana mendo akon dena jaha america ria florida doria dhare re to delapon nel sangya chelaka kin ango kana chelaka bang tabon ar punjal sangya delapon नोआ दो स्पेस स्टेशन इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन रे कना जहां दो हंडे खोन उडू को लहारे मिटंग फाइनल फोटो शूट हुई कान तकवा जहां दो कमांडर निकी अलेक्जेंडर सुनीता विलियम्स और तबोन बुच वोल्मोर ताको को मिना को
And you see at the hatchway the 4 departing Crew 9 crew members posing for some final photos.
In step 5 with the smoke 2, and we found some pieces of dust around the hatch seal area, so we are going to clean them with cotton tape.
Nito punyal dare ako nito do dragon capsule re ko durup juta kana ha ar onde kon udu
Once again, you're looking at a view across the 4 crew members, Butch Wilmore in the foreground, Alexander Gorbanov to his left, then Nick Hague, and just obscured on the far right-hand side of this configuration is Sonny Williams.
Ito po nyal dare ko noa jaha space international space station khon jaha ando ko kana mendo ocho saha ko kana don thatti hiju lagit noa onde khon इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन खोन धरती तेजु लगी ले 17 घंटा लगभग समय लगाओ ना नोड़ा पुnyal dare ani to do धरती ते रुवर हिजु कना में तो धरती ते न्यूरुक कना बेबे ते न्यूरुक कना ina pore ani to next step mena baria parachute ha udu ko tabona hona jaha speed control lagi ni to do bebe te speed ha halka control o ina pore next step ta hana ar baria udu ko ar baria parachute udu jaha te do aro onare speed komo ina pore doria talare nyuru doria talar do bange doria dhare re nito punyal dare onde bitir ria view jaha ko nyelok kana bitir jaha ko durup kana onde khona ko nyel dare baria parachute udu kana menten so nito the next step mena atabon men's deploy do ha next step re ar baria udu kina no tapon nyel dare abo punia lagbag punia huina parachute ina pore no Florida sorry ikan ko jo Florida re doria dare re nito do ha na nyuru doria re so kona sip kote jaha kote ko edi ko ha recovery ko tapon to telapon nyal sangya
4 beautiful, healthy names. Tallahassee, Florida, splashdown 2 minutes from now at 2:57 p.m. Pacific. We do have.
Sunwa do original video tapon ha punya lidi ar nito ha splash down mendo da re nito nyuru ria to setter kana kichu ghadi pore kangen re da tare kon punyal dare anoi doria dare kon view jahan nyelok kana chetan ko nyel bare nuku bitir ko dulu kana nuku tangi talak menak ko tir ko setrok kana tamon ot te se latar te tir ko setrok kana tangi talak menak ko aku jaha position mena oka position ra ko tahan ona aku jahan ko training ka ko na hisab ta ko dulu kana setelah pun nyel sangia aku tangi talak menak ko dulu kana Nikki Alexander ina pure Sunita Williams ar tabon Butch Wilmore setelah pun final splash down so nito to da re nyuru ri aktu setra kan to na so bai te no nyuri na nito to slow down ina chedak se na punia parachute aja speed jahan nyuru ri speed flow kia na dragon capsule ina pure da re nyuru ina hoi tapun nyel dare abo ar nito to ha jahan SpaceX rin jahan tine aku ko crew members ko menak ko jahan tina kamian hor ko menak ko unku ko hijua ina pore medical check up huआ ina pore kichu kan test huआ so finally return to home welcome home sagun daram ape dharti te ar mambo setter nako nito do ha kichu gari kan ge jahaj kote ship kote ko hijua
and as you can see on your screen we have visual confirmation of splashdown. Dragon Freedom has returned home and NASA astronauts.
System safety verifications are in progress. We'll report back when recovery personnel are en route.
So we will continue to have communication.
So nito to noy bunyel dare nito ha node kon adi sangin nyok reke menak ko jahatin ko recovery team ko menak ko SpaceX ni NASA rin to ko hetro atabun ha nito safety check up huआ saute aqua bitir re jahat ko dulu bukan ko sala communication ha menak ta ko ar ko galmarau kan gya tabun ina pure ha nito kichu gari pure kan gya recovery wala team ko hiju ko hetro ako kichu kan lagbag saha sangi reke ko tahi पर नुकु नोडे धरती ते सेटर लगभग 17 घंटा समय लगाओ को और तबन नुका चलो बनियल दिया आरो चेक लगा रिकवरी को नुकु जहां ते को सेटर कना तबन स्पीड बोट ते जहां ते रिकवरी टीम को मेना को तबन नुकु बनियल लड़ाया को सेटर कना को नोआ ड्रैगन कैप्सूल सुरते ina pure ha node ko safety check up ko huआ ina pure recovery final recovery huआ तबन
We can see those fast boats. We weren't kidding when we said they were fast. While it does take about 30 minutes for the main recovery vessel to make its way over to the capsule, these fast boats will be doing a couple of things simultaneously. A couple of them are going to be working to retrieve the parachutes that you see in the background there of this drone shot. Those parachutes will be retrieved from
nuku node bo nyal dare ko jahan tina SpaceX ni NASA rin recovery team ko menak ko jahai ko banchaw lagi ko setra kan tha node ko recovery se rakap lagi node khon to setra kana ko ako team members ko node barhor dare kina tabon barhor node menak kina sur re ona capsule sur re kin dejo lagi na ar onde amiti hook kin lagawa onde khon hook khon ko gohori dia ona do na jahan hante re jahan marang ship nyalok kana jahan do onde khon finally onde ko recovery ko se ko
Callouts there indicating that the crew will have the opportunity to do a quick check-in with the SpaceX flight surgeon. This is standard procedure for every Dragon spacecraft.
Noda bunyal dara ko tabon yatene recovery team ko bachao makin jahan hor ko hijikan ta ya onku noda bunyal dara ko meta hore de chikan onde Dragon capsule chetan re onde hook lagaw ya onde khon gohor idi rea bai te gohor idi rea abyabostha ko re menak ko nuku team members ko team ko gohor ko
going to be working to install plugs in the Draco thrusters to ensure that none of those and to ensure that no more harnessing being placed around the capsule. This harnessing is what will be used to lift the Dragon capsule out of the water and onto the recovery vessel. Wow, we got a cute little pod of dolphins. It wasn't just one or two. You can see that recovery vessel slowly but surely closing the distance there between. Dolphin cam back again. We can see that the Dragon capsule and the recovery vessel at distance is closing closing.
jahan do
Again,
ha
this is just one more step
nyel nyam
as
ko
we continue to
recovery
work recovery
lagit te
operations
team jang
for
hej kana
Dragon
ko
Freedom.
recovery ko
Just joining us.
men do ko
Crew 9
wanchau ko
splashed down off the coast of
Dragon
Tallahassee,
capsule
Florida
ko uduk
at
ko
2:57
noa
p.m.
hydraulic
Pacific time
wala jaha
with NASA
crane pe nyel
astronauts
ya
Nick
onde ha
Hague, Butch
ona ti
Wilmore,
ko
Sunny Williams, and
kohor rakaba
Roscosmos
chetan sen
cosmonaut Alexander
delabon nyel
Gorbanov.
sangia tabun
They're now working through
Aima sarao
procedures
matobe
to
noa video
hoist this
benaw
the
ria se dikhau ria
spacecraft up
noa ko
onto the
uddeshyo tabun
recovery vessel
tahen kana
Megan.
ki
We
mita
just
siknat ko
saw
nyam
that
kia
hydraulic
ki
arm get lowered
chet leka abo
into the lifting position.
dharti rin hor
That arm will
mendo
be
antariksh
the
le chalaw katen
mechanism that is
ruwal kana
utilized
ko
to
chet
lift
leka miti
Dragon up
siknat
and out
mitang
of the
out
water
knowledge
and
mita shamana
into
gyan general knowledge
the
lekate
nest
jahan tindak
located
putwa
there
gidra ko
at
menak
the
kita
aft
puna
end of the
joto
recovery
pe
vessel.
secedok kana
Straight
to
down
ona
the
noa video benaw
recovery
ria to ona ge
vessel,
uddeshyo tin
that
to no
platform
hydraulic
that
soccer
was
te
closest to the camera,
hydraulic
that is the
soccer wala
egress
jahan
platform.
crane mena
Freedom.
ona te
So about 5
ode
minutes
chetan
left
ko gohor
until
rakaba
we
tabun
see Dragon Freedom get lifted
jahan
out
banjau
of
ria
the
process
water.
mena ana ta technology juk kana so nyel dare a technology le power chet leka ar
There it
oka
goes,
khon
Dragon
oka
Freedom
abo bo
being
chalaw dare
lifted out
dunia
of
bo
the
dana dare
water
dunia
and
khon
onto
bahre
our
abo
recovery
disom khon
vessel
bahre
Megan.
pura etak groho ko jahan leka bo nyel akak ya abo rin India se Bharat disom rin antariksh te dana bakra ho to plan mena unka kurumuto ko chutau kana abo Bharat disom rin वैज्ञानिक को तबन सो आमा शाराव मा आड़ी गौरव बुझा नौका आबो दिसम कुरिन हर को किछु को ताहेन खांदो नोआ कमी होरा करे so finally नोडे को रकाब जुत किया इन पूरे बंजल संख्या दिलाबन
So once securely on,
जेलका कोडू कना
Welcome aboard the recovery vessel. Recovery personnel are completing
finally
final checks and
settle
stand
jutina
by
ko
for translation to
welcome
the egress platform.
sagundaram dharti te tekan recovery
outside of Dragon, you do see one of those
so finally
structures.
nito
This
to
is
ha
the
pun nyel
accepted
sangia delabon
procedure as the
jaha
crew will take
members
into
ko menak
medical
crew members ko jaha tina
facilities
menak ko
following their exit from
crew
Dragon.
9 rin to bunyal saka ko pun hor jaha ko hej kana ha Dragon capsule te unko nito medical lagit ko idi ko medical check up hu takwa tidak se onde ma untuk kasan bal banu na tabon to hormoria kichugan judi jaha na hospital ko menak takwa medical check up bakra ko idi ko anu itara puilu jaha ha team member tako
Now out
crew
of
member
Crew
tako
Dragon Freedom.
Nikki jaha commander kanai NASA renit
Some
so
smiles,
ada
thumbs up,
deska
and a wave.
go
Can't
ya
get any better than that.
Yeah, that is one happy camper, that's for sure.
Next up, out of the capsule, we expect Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Gorbanov. His first space flight. Spent 171
second crew member ha
days
nui
in
to
space
Alexander
alongside NASA
tabon
astronaut Nick
nui
Hague.
ho punyal dare
Looks
ya
like we're getting some cheers and clapping on board as Alexander is slid down the little ramp and placed
Medical lagi.
into the mobility aid.
ko idi lagat mindo medical ko idi lagat
Again, big smile.
medical team SpaceX rin team NASA rin team nani ho riske ko kia
For those
tabon
of you that have just recently joined, the Dragon had an on-time splashdown. Oh, it looks like we're
Nui
getting
do,
our next crew
finally
member here.
Sunita Williams,
That is none other than
jahai
Sunny
do
Williams.
no mehna
Big smile,
dhabi
big waves.
tahena
She, like her other
space
crew
re
members,
antariksh
now
re
will be
to uni
assisted
finally
onto
dharti
the
te hej
mobility
kanai
aid.
ti ilo kate hore sarhaw ke kwa sagun emak kwa
There we have
Chalo,
it. Some
Nora
waves,
Bunyal
some
Daraya,
thumbs up,
Sunita
and some
Williams.
smiles.
Definitely seems to be
nito to
a
jahai ha
theme
punyal ya
among
nito
all recovery
Buzz Wilmore
operations.
jahai takin do Sunita Williams ar Buzz
Absolutely.
Wilmore jahai
And
do kin chalaw len tha ya June 2024 re ar 8 din ria mission takin tha ya
We're
ar
getting
kichu
some
ko na
views of him
SpaceX
now as
re
he egresses or exits the
jaha
spacecraft.
jaha udak gari takin chalaw lena Starliner ona re kichu kharap khatir tege unkin bakin hej dare na ina pure NASA ha program tahi agu bakra to 9 महीना बाद finally धरती तक अगुर वर्क किना तो मारतो
Once
kan adi
again, some
adi sarhau
elation and
NASA
cheers
ar
there
SpaceX
from Butch Wilmore.
team
As
members
we
ko
mentioned before, returning
chalo
to
finally
Earth
jito
from
kami to pachabay na
coming from a
matabikan
microgravity environment
Shanam
can
ko.
wreak havoc on the
Much
body.
johar.
So it is customary and just standard procedure for all of our long-term space residents to get assistance once they are back on board the recovery vessel.
Kan ayma sarah nuwa video nyal muchal lagi tabon ar nuwa video nyal kate kichu kan sikdat pun jam kiya ar matabikan যদি कुसी का लाइक पे कमेंट करते ले पे जलगा बुझो के तपना और उनका के बड़ा जो वीडियो को गु युवा तपन मातो बिका नाइमा में सराव अंतर मुचेत कोन अंतर मितिर कोन मातो बे एम सराव जय भारत हिल हमारा पूरा जय झारखंड सनम को मुचर जोहार